Stop buying irons that trade one mess for another. The Black+Decker D3030 is the fast, capable default. Switch to Qi for sewing or heavier use. Choose by steam, warm-up, weight, controls, and storage. For most homes, get the Black+Decker Allure Professional Steam Iron D3030. It heats quickly, carries plenty of water, and delivers strong steam without premium pricing or Qi-level weight. That makes routine laundry easier to finish and easier to handle. Its steam isn't as powerful or consistent as the Qi's, and occasional water can escape through the sole plate. The fixed cord also creates more storage clutter. Skip it for long sewing sessions requiring broader fabric controls or a retractable cord. For sewing and frequent pressing, choose the Qi electronic iron with retractable cord 13102. Its sustained steam and precise tip suit detailed projects, while the retracting cord keeps storage cleaner. The 30-minute upright shutoff also avoids interrupting longer work. But it's heavier, needs about a minute and a half for maximum heat, and its 12-ounce tank empties faster under heavy steam. Skip it if you prioritize quick warm-up, fewer refills, or an earlier upright shutoff. If the 13102 is unavailable, the Qi electronic iron with retractable cord 13106 fills the same serious laundry and sewing role. You still get the storage-friendly cord design and heavier-duty pressing focus. The compromise is simpler feedback. It uses a standard temperature dial instead of a digital display, with no light confirming it's ready. It's also heavier and slower to warm than the Black+Decker. Skip it if those digital temperature cues are important to your workflow. Quick split, Black+Decker D3030 for everyday laundry and value. Qi 13102 for sewing and sustained steam. Choose Qi 13106 when the 13102 isn't available and simpler controls are acceptable. Before buying, check your storage depth, preferred cord style, acceptable weight, tank refill tolerance, and whether detailed temperature feedback matters. Start with the Black+Decker D3030 because it's the practical, everyday choice. Move to the Qi 13102 for serious sewing, or the 13106 when availability forces the switch. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.